guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Right next to me, we have a beautiful vintage burgundy 1965 Ford Mustang. We're gonna go into full details on this specific car, do a walk around and a test drive, so you guys can make a decision on if this is the right 65 for you. Also, I want you guys to go to our website to find out full details, and also click on the merchandise tab because we have 3 new shirt designs. We've got candles, air fresheners, the whole 9 yards. Link is right here. Back to this car. We're gonna start off with the paint condition. I'd rate this car easily a 7.5 out of 10. Body lines are extremely straight. We're gonna put this thing on the lift so you can see underside shots. The only thing that's not original in regards to the chrome is the rear bumper, and we are including the rear bumper that is original with a small dent in it. I'm gonna open up the hood right now. So it has a 289 cubic inch motor. It has been rebuilt so it can run on regular fuel, but that is a numbers matching motor. It does have an aftermarket air conditioner pump, and the air does work properly. It is an A code vehicle, and it still is running, it is running an electronic ignition, which is great, and it does fire up easily. Hood looks good, all of your grille surrounds look good, and the radiator has been upgraded to a 3-core radiator. Normally it's a 2-core, so that's gonna keep it cool. Close the hood and go down the driver's side. As you look at the driver's side, take note of my reflection. You can actually see myself in it. You've got your beautiful emblems over here, your Ford Mustang emblems, and those pony wheels are perfect. Someone took the liberty of painting all the lettering on the tires white, and it does show well. You've got your 289 badging up there, and then when you open up the door, you're gonna see how nice and original this car really is. You have all your original felt strips and your placard right here. So I wanna show you the most important part of this car. First off, look at the reflection of this paint. It's beautiful. Gonna open up this thing right here. So this is like the Bible for this 65 Mustang. It talks about when it was originally purchased, all of the breakdown for the data plate that we showed you earlier, and then the story of it. These are all of the receipts that are gonna be coming with this vehicle. And the mileage is actually real, it's a real mileage. But you've got documentation, motor was rebuilt, got pictures from back in the day, and then all the parts that were ordered in 2001. Everything. What's neat about it is you can pull the choke and it'll start right up like that. E-brake's working. It does have a disc brake conversion up front. You've got the collector's insurance when it was sold, and then the owner's manual. Put that in the back and we'll continue on with the interior. Steering wheel has no imperfections, and it has a sought after 4-speed transmission. It does have the under the dash AC unit, and it actually turns on. You do have your heat right here, and that works as well. Horn works, turn signals work as they should, and all the gauges are operational. You do have your lights here. I just turned them on so we can see the lights. Headlights are on right now. You can see the low beam. And then the rear lights are on as well. These are the original buckets too. Listen to how healthy that is. It's actually a pretty peppy car, and we'll show you that in the test drive video. I'm gonna shut it off. We'll continue on with the walk around and show you the trunk. Rear quarter is very nice. There's no rust on this car. So these are the original parts that are gonna come with it. And then I do have the drum set. That's the brakes that were put on. So it has discs up front. And that's the original spare tire with the original tire on it. Got a car cover. Lock looks nice. All of your rubbers look good. Gas cap is proper. Comes off easily. That's a replacement piece. Bumper is in perfect condition. You do have that dual exhaust right there. I'm gonna let this FedEx truck drive by. It sounds like it's got a bad rod. Yeah, it's bad. Rod knock. Gonna open up the door. Look at the interior. That's original interior right there. Door cards are nice. It does have aftermarket pony floor mats. Let's jump inside it and go for a ride. Okay. Before we take the 65 for a test drive, I want to show you this beautiful 69 Camaro. It's a real Z28. It's Jerry McNeish approved. He actually built the motor. We're gonna have that up on the site soon. Let's get underneath this Mustang. I put it in the air for us so we can show you how original and how nice it is. So it does have the original floor pans. So if you get low, you're gonna be able to see that. True dual exhaust. It's got a new sending unit. Shocks look good. I don't see anything but surface rust, and all the mounting spots are nice. Here's your transmission. A little bit of seepage, but nothing that I would worry about. Here's your bell housing and the engine. Engine's very dry. And you do have an upgraded brake set. So you have disc brakes up front and they are slotted. Brand new lines. Emergency brake works still. Here's your fuel filter and your oil filter. And then the front support right here is extremely nice and solid. All the body panels. So when you start to look underneath this Mustang, you're gonna see how nice they are too. I didn't point out, but back here, this is original sheet metal. That's crazy. So this is stored in a dry environment for sure. Tires are good. You still have, you know, the rubber is supple. So these tires are from 2018, so they're still good to go. Let's drop this thing and take it for a ride. We're inside the Mustang right now. The gauges are looking great. Gas gauge is working as it should. The temperature is up to operating temperature because we've been moving it around. 47,000 miles on it, and those are real deal miles. Really healthy. You do have an aftermarket Bluetooth radio that fits in the factory spot, so nothing was cut. It does have a padded dash, and then there are kick speakers here, so you can see those speakers. And it sounds really nice. Your air condition, you can turn it on, it'll blow. Then you have your heating controls. Wipers, I'm not gonna do them, but they do work. The rubber on this is starting to go and I don't want it to rip. Headliner is original and it shows really well, but it is the original headliner, so you're gonna have a little bit of discoloration back there. Interior is nice, the seats feel good. Horn works, and the shifter. So you've got your forward gears, which would be right there, second, third, fourth, and then to go into reverse, lift up and back, and then you just pull that clutch out and you go in reverse. Let's go ahead and take it out on the road. We're gonna go left here and we'll take it on to Anglers Avenue. So this will be a little bit of a different route than normal. Motor is extremely healthy. Clutch feels really good too. Rear end doesn't make any funny sounds. Synchros feel good, it's not popping out, it's solid. Let's get it in a second. Brakes are easy, really, really easy. That upgrade, the disc brake upgrade really helps. When I get around this turn here, we'll give it a little bit of gas and see what she can do. Sounds amazing. Take this corner. Suspension is easy. It's not, it doesn't have power steering, but it's very easy to use. So I'm using one hand right now to turn here. We're gonna get onto the main road, and then we'll make a left back onto Anglers Avenue. If you have any questions about this specific Mustang, give us a call at 954-363-2261. We can also help you with shipping worldwide. So if you have a port of entry or a zip code, if you're here in the United States, we can help you out there too. Just go to our transport tab, click on it, and enter in your data, and we'll get back to you as fast as we can. We're in second right now. Let's give it a little bit of gas. Are you ready? Feels good. Not bad. As I said, the clutch is easy. It's not too heavy. Here we go. That's the 60. Feels really good. Brakes are easy. Pushing the brakes and stopping it straight. Once again, this is a really, really nice car. We're gonna get some outside shots. If you have any questions at all, give us a call, 954-363-2261. This is a fully documented 65 Mustang.
content like this.